And then I should have stopped trading, but I tried to catch another reversal after this sell-off. I tried to catch another reversal here. I saw a consolidation below R3, long popped up, stopped out. Again, another one long stopped out. Smaller share size, but nonetheless, I lost profit here. And now that piece of garbage is going back up to VWAP. So Alright guys, good morning everybody. I'm gonna do the quick recap for today. I had a really good day at the open, and I just overtraded Microsoft a little bit. Eventually this bounce is happening, but I just gave some of the profit back. So let's take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft had the earning last night. It dropped at the earning and then it bounces back in the pre-market and gapped up 6%. So I missed the open. I came a little bit late, around 9:45. I just got in. Apparently Thor and Brian shorted Microsoft at the open, which turned out to be a really nice short, all the way from 308 all the way up to 300. That's $8. That's a really good drop. I saw a double bottom and took a fallen angel trade, the double bottom reversal from 300 up to 303. And then I added more, but I got stopped out. And then I added again back in for another double bottom or triple bottom from 301 to VWAP. And that was a really good trade for me. I made really good money on that. And then I should have stopped trading, but I tried to catch another reversal after this sell-off. I tried to catch another reversal here. I saw a consolidation below R3, long popped up, stopped out. Again, another one long stopped out. Smaller share size, but nonetheless, I lost profit here. And now that piece of garbage is going back up to VWAP. So just, twice stopped me out right at the, low of the day. So now it's going to probably go back to VWAP. And same as the market, all the market, it seems that it's really running up. So I kind of knew that it's flatlining with the market, because we have the Fed's meeting in a couple of hours. So the volatility went down because, everyone probably wants to see what's going to happen from that. But that's it. I was up really like 6 grand on it, and I just gave it up slowly. So yeah, that's my day. Not great, but green nonetheless. How was your day, Brian? I know you took Microsoft short.
Yeah, no, it was good. I did the Microsoft short. I got in much later than Thor did, but just piggybacked off his trade and got a couple dollar move anyway. So that worked out well. And then I just traded JD at the open. Had a nice pop up on was it JD.
You went long?
No,
or
it was
you went short?
no, sorry, it was sorry, it wasn't JD.
KNG.
It was DK and DKNG. Yeah, Donkey Kong.
Donkey Kong, yeah.
I had to look at my orders again. Yeah, no, it was Donkey Kong. Had a really nice pop up at the open. Sold, and then when it pulled back to the VWAP, got it long again. It sold again, and then and did a little short when it went drop below the VWAP. A few bucks there, but after that, no, it was good.
Very nice. Excellent.
It was a pretty good day.
Yeah, so we'll see what the Federal Reserve would say. I mean, apparently indexes are bouncing a little bit back. As I mentioned, Microsoft is really trading like with the markets right now. So, it was flatlining a little bit and popping back up, same as the SPY. So all the indexes are somehow trading like that. And then, Microsoft just really became into the choppy area. It's just stopped me out really bad. Anyways, guys, so that's it. So let's see what the Feds are saying. And we're gonna see you tonight in the webinar with Crede for psychology. Big capital traders also, we have the mentorship session right now. So we'll see you in the mentorship session, guys. Have a good day and see you soon.